Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Microsoft Teams with SharePoint, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Microsoft Teams with SharePoint, start by opening Microsoft Teams on your device. Navigate to the team where you want to add SharePoint integration. Click on the plus icon at the top of the Teams channel. This action will open the Add a Tab window. Select SharePoint from the list of available apps. You may see different options to choose from, including SharePoint pages or lists. Choose the specific SharePoint. Once selected, click on Next to proceed. Enter a name for the tab to help your team identify it easily. You can also customize the settings as needed. After completing the configuration, click on Save. Your selected SharePoint page or list will now appear as a new tab in your Teams channel. Team members can easily access the SharePoint content by clicking on the new tab. To ensure everything works smoothly, test the tab by clicking on it. Make sure that the content displays correctly and is accessible to all team members. You have now successfully connected Microsoft Teams with SharePoint. This integration enhances collaboration and keeps everyone updated in real time. Feel free to return to the tab to make changes or updates as needed. Your team can now leverage SharePoint efficiently within Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.